start. Second, the census has to be conducted in a way that increases the people's trust in the government. Stop. This trust has been shaken and must be rebuilt, given how the previous census was viewed as enabling the advancement of political goals rather than the people's rights and privileges. Stop. Communications in the next round will be very critical. Stop. Controversy can only be averted when people are convinced that this exercise is for the counted, not the counters. Stop. Based on a civilian pact between people and the state, citizens are required to give accurate and truthful information to enumerators, who in turn gather and verify data in total confidentiality. Stop. Para. Third, the army's role must be clarified. Stop. Ostensibly armed personnel accompanied enumerators in both the last census (1998 and 2017. Due to security concerns, they were only expected to perform the role of escorts and onlookers, ensuring the enumerators' security. Stop. However, they became directly involved in the data collection beyond their original mandate, sometimes even recording data. Stop. The UN put this on record as a violation of international census protocol in a letter to the government. Stop. Thankfully, the much improved security environment will render that level of involvement unnecessary. Stop. Para. Fourth, the census must use modern technology, including the recording of information through handheld devices, correlating to GPS coordinates, to ensure transparency of responses. Stop. We must stop relying on archaic, indelible ink, paper, and sluggish methods of transporting reams of data across the country in order to save months of processing time. Stop. The provinces should be able to maintain their own counts rather than rely on a central database, so that databases can be shared to avoid administrative delays. Stop. Para. Finally, can the census data about to be released be utilized to convince the gurus tasked with fixing Pakistan's economic problems of the criticality of demographic trends for planning the economy? Interrogatory. In a recent webinar organized by the Population Council at the Population Association of Pakistan's annual meeting, national experts spoke about the critical need to base economic and development planning on demographic data. Stop. The warning research showing that rapid population growth rate has eradicated development gains and practically killed our hopes of becoming an Asian tiger has been ignored. Stop.